In this video, I'm going to show you how to add RSS feed to your Webflow website. Unfortunately, since Webflow doesn't support this functionality by default, what we need to do is use a third-party platform. Don't worry though, it's completely free and also very easy to set up. The first thing I want you to do is to click the first link in the description of this video, which will take you to the Elfsight platform. Once you've clicked on the link, this is the page that you're going to see. From here, I want you to head over to the top of the page, which is where you will find this widgets button. Simply hover over it, and then underneath social right here, look for RSS feed. In my case, it's about halfway down, so I'm going to click on that, and then this will take you to the RSS feed widgets page. From here, click on create widget for free, which will then take you down to the RSS feed template section. So on the left hand side here, you have a bunch of different RSS feed templates that you can choose from. And then on the right hand side, you have a little preview of what that particular template will look like on your Webflow website. Bear in mind that there's also a mobile view right here in case you want to see what it would look like on a mobile device. Also bear in mind that this particular RSS feed and all the different templates are fully interactive on the right hand side here. So you can really click around and test its functionality before you decide to add it to your Webflow website. Another thing I want to mention is the design that you see right here is not final. We can actually customize pretty much anything that you see on the screen right here. And I'm going to show you how to do that in the next section. But for now, I'm going to go for the masonry template. You can obviously go for masonry dark, grid, or whatever else you like. But yeah, once you selected the template that you want to go with, go ahead and click on continue with this template in the bottom left corner of the screen right here. And then you'll be taken to this page here, which is where we can now start customizing the RSS feed to our liking. But before we do that, we first need to add the RSS URL. That way the widget is going to know which feed to display on your Webflow website. In my case, I've gone ahead and copied a random feed. As you can see, this is what the link looks like for this particular website. All I have to do now is click on add and let the widget do its job. As you can see, that took less than a second to pull in the feed. And as you can see, it is the latest posts, I guess, from that particular website. Bear in mind, if you want to further customize the RSS feed and what information is being shown, you can add different filters right here. So you can see add filters to show or hide content by specific criteria. So if you click on this, you can basically filter out content by keyword, specific posts, and date as well. In my case, I'm not going to touch that because it doesn't really matter for me. On the left hand side here, you also see layout, post, appearance, and settings. These are all the different customizations that you can take advantage of to further customize your RSS feed to your liking. In my particular case, I'm only going to change the post style from this one to maybe, let's see, this one. I quite like how clean and nice looking this is. Maybe I want to display the information properly. Yeah, this is pretty nice. You can also customize the post style further that you'd like. So click on customize here and you can basically hide the date as an example or show action bar. In this case, it's shown, but I've hidden it. I'm going to hide this to make things look a little bit cleaner. You can show text, you can hide text if you wanted to, etc. As you can see, there's loads of different customizations they can make here. I'm not going to go through every single one because I don't want to spend half an hour making this video, but yeah, you pretty much get the point. So yeah, take your time, customize your RSS feed to your liking, and once you're ready to move forward, go ahead and click on add to website for free in the bottom left corner of the screen right here. And then your RSS feed widget will be saved up and you'll be taken to this page right here, which is where you now need to publish the widget. So in the top right corner of the screen, you will see the green publish button right here. Click on that and then you'll automatically be taken to the plans page. This is what the plans page looks like. And what we need to do here is choose a plan. Now, since this is the first widget that we're creating through Elfsight, we can actually go for this plan right here, which is completely free. As you can see, it supports up to one widget for up to 200 views. So if you're just getting started, this might be the perfect plan for you. Alternatively, if you want to use more than one widget from Elfsight on your Webflow website, if you want to show your RSS feed to more than 200 people, or if you want to unlock more functionalities, then you can obviously choose one of the premium plans right here. As you can see, they have quite a few different options that you can choose from. And if you decide to pay annually, you also get to save quite a bit of money as well, which is pretty nice. But in my case, I'm going to go for this plan because this is just a tutorial, so it doesn't matter for me. And then you'll be automatically taken to this page right here, which is where you can copy the code for your RSS feed. Click on copy code, and then let's head over to Webflow so we can start integrating it. Now, I'm already in my Webflow website, and I actually want my RSS feed added to this section right here, which I've pre-designed. I've added very minimal padding to the top and the bottom of it, just so that it's visible. Bear in mind, you can also remove the padding if you want your RSS feed to be flush with all the sections, well, the sections that are above and below it. In my case, I'm not going to do that. I'll just leave it as it is. Because in my case, it doesn't matter. But yeah, select the section where you want your RSS feed added to, and then click on the plus button right here in the top left corner of the screen, and then search for code. Then look for code embed. As you can see, it's right here. Click on that, and then this window is going to open up. From here, simply paste the code that we just copied previously from Elf site, click on save and close, and then publish the changes to your Webflow website. Give it a couple of seconds here, and then what you want to do is go ahead and preview the website to see the RSS feed live on your site. And as you can see, here is my RSS feed. I appreciate that the layout is a little bit messed up here. This is probably because I have some restriction in terms of how many posts I have added or chosen to add on my RSS feed. You can customize this in the Elf site platform. Maybe I should have done 8 so it's a little bit more cleaner and nice looking. But yeah, as you can see, this is a fully interactive. So you can see I can click on each of these posts and it will take me directly to the relevant publication. Don't worry about this panel that you see right here. This is only visible by you, just in case you want to make any changes to the RSS feed live. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to add the RSS feed to your Webflow website. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.